Hey guys, Chooch 5000. Doing an oil change on the push mower here. Just picked it up. Figured I'd do an oil change because the oil was actually like a silvery color, and it's not good. There's a nail right here. So as you can see, it kind of spilled some over there on the. Let's see if it'll be the right side of it. And oh well, not the end of the world. I put some sawdust, whatever that stuff is, of safety absorbent, I think it is, and usually does a pretty good job. I used the siphon suck gun here I got to do the, oh man, yeah, it's hot, to do the gas here. You can see the siphon gun, you know, I just stuck it in a tank, and you know, you pull the handle and it pulls out the gas anyway. It works better for thicker material gas. It doesn't really seem to really like much. Let's see. Well, I'll put this back on so I don't have any more oil spill out. Alright, I just drained it. It's what this over here is. It's mixed with gas. That's why it looks probably real thin. And, I'm going to put the drain plug back in. Show you guys. There's a little bit of oil that drained out there. Let's get your drain plug and your extension. And it's right here. I don't know what model you guys may have. They all should be about the same spot. Put it in until it's snug. Take the rag here and wipe the excess off. Okay. Flip it over. Now there shouldn't be any in it, so it shouldn't leak out here. Pretty sandy. This floor is sandy. Let's see, we got that. There's a little bit in here. I don't want to get any dirt. There's a clean spot. I'll wipe this off. Now, I don't know how much is in it. It's probably about a quart. This one was actually overfilled. You got your hatch marks here. Should be between the two arrows, and it was definitely not. So it's probably why it was smoking so bad. Actually, it looks pretty good right there. Now, I'm gonna put in some 1040. This is high mileage. It's oil. Just Super Tech from Walmart. Nothing special. Just to see if it fixes my problem. So, we'll go from there as far as oil is. Because I'm going to use this only in the springtime anyway, so it's not like 1040 is going to hurt nothing. So let's put in Jesus, still got plenty in there. Alright, let's see what we got now. We got 24. Alright. Well, and that shouldn't be enough. Like I said, I don't really know what these take. No. Not close yet. I didn't think it would. Should be at least, I would think, a quart in these, but maybe not. Let's see. It's almost a half quart. Yeah, a little bit more. Try that. You don't want to overfill them. I imagine it's hot out here. Almost 100, I think. Could be wrong. I don't know know what you guys are going to be using on your push mowers. I run basically, I don't know, about 1040, 1540 and all my stuff. Only a couple things that I don't run in. Probably hear the neighbor with his push mower there. Man, it's still hot out here. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, we're getting there. We're just at the bottom of the ad. A little bit more. Don't want to do too much. I like to have it usually about the top of the line. And from there, it should be just about, it should be about in between, I'm thinking. Especially once you screw the cap down. Yeah, it's probably about right. I think it's about a half quart. Here's the cap here. Come on. Okay, yeah, about a half a quart. Not much. Depending on how much you use it, once a year, change it. Depends on how bad it gets, I guess. Might not be as picky as my Cub Cadets, but it's just perfect. It's right at the very top of the full line. Before, you know, you got your hatch marks about right here, and before it was about a quarter inch above that, so it was definitely way too full. So looks good. Now I just want to put some gas in it, and we can try it out and go from there. I'll put some gas in it and I'll get another video for you guys. Alright, I'll see you later.